the number one thing to do is to start looking at your waste in a different way. So one of the tips that I always give is buy some clear bins so that you can really see what's going in the waste of your restaurant, and that way you'll see that there's great products going in there, there's food that could be used, and in a way getting that visual change really motivates people to make change. Becoming more sustainable, in fact, enhances your profit. So whether that's working with someone like us at Too Good To Go, where you can sell surplus back to customers and recoup costs, or whether it is all about thinking on your menu and making sure that your menu is in itself sustainable, because there isn't a lot of food waste and all of a product is being used. So for me, sustainability and profitability actually go hand in hand.